Hi, come on in. Hey guys, welcome to Inaaya. So today's video is actually one of the most requested videos that I've ever had on my channel, and it is a room tour video. Of course, you guys have already seen my Bombay room, and a lot of you guys have been requesting me to make a video of this room, which is in Ahmedabad, where I live with my family. And you know that I juggle in between Bombay and Ahmedabad, so I have two places and two rooms. So all the more content for you guys, and I know I've been delaying this for the longest because I wanted it to be perfect. It's still not perfect, it's still in the process, but I thought I might as well just start and show you guys everything that I've done up, and that's me. And yeah, without me blabbering anymore, let's quickly just dive into this video. But before we get started, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, quickly hit it because we are so freaking close to 10,000 subscribers. I can't believe we're almost at 7,500, which is huge. So yay to all of us, and come join the family. ओके अब चलो फटाफट वीडियो बनाते हैं Okay, so we'll start with this little corner right here. This is one of my favorite corners. It's very elegant stuff. I feel, I don't know, you guys tell me. So these are actually plastics that I picked from proper market for like 150 or 120 for the stick, depending on the thickness. And I think it looks really, really nice here. I don't know where we got this from. It was just lying around in the house, so I just put it out here because aesthetically it looks really pretty. These two baskets we got from home stock. I think this was like what, 4 or 5 months back. This one's actually my laundry basket. So all my laundry goes in here, and because it's actual cane, so the smell of cane kind of nullifies the smell of my dirty laundry. So that's that. And this little basket has just some books in here. Of course, what access is here just for you guys to see because aesthetics. But in general, it's just randomly lying here with whatever books I'm reading. But yeah, what like this is good. I recently developed ways for traveling, so might as well have it for inspiration. So that's all about this little corner. Alright, so this little corner here, you've seen it in plenty of my videos. This is where I film most of my casual videos, and all my, haul videos and shopping videos in Ahmedabad happen here, but I'll still take you through the entire space. So this is one of my favorite things about this room. I think I don't have a hierarchy, and I think all the spaces in this room are my favorite, so I have to stop using the word favorite. But this is absolutely one of my favorite, this is absolutely one of my, I don't know. I absolutely love this space is all I'm gonna say. And the blue and white stripes, the pink and white polkas, the little vintage Parisian inspired vintage cushion, and then you have this elephant print cushion. All of it, I think, defines me as a person, and I absolutely love how I creatively used all the waste chindis of the cushion cover fabrics and made like this really pretty runner out of it. So I think this space is decently done up, and of course it's a 4-poster bed. I always wanted a 4-poster bed as a little girl, and finally that happened like at 20, but I don't think I'm complaining. So yeah, that's a little about this space. Now we'll quickly move to my study area and my bedside space. Also, this cute little bath mat is actually from Shopper Stop. So my desk space has my journal, of course, where I note down everything that I need to do. This is a book that I've just started reading, which is What Got You Here Won't Get You There by Marshall Goldsmith. It's a really amazing book. I've just read like 10-15 pages, but already feels so inspired. These are a few sketches I've randomly just kept here, but this is the table where all my creativity happens. This here is a really cute gift my brother got me, and it's full of quotes and a lot of inspirational and funny quotes as well. Rules are maybe just suggestions is one example here. This one here is a very cute calendar I got online, and this is again a very pretty, let me show you. I think you've seen it in my birthday haul, but let me still show you. So it's got like this little key, and you open the drawer. I think it's a perfect table showpiece for somebody like me who's a designer. I think it's so beautiful. It's one of my favorite things on my table. This again, if you've seen my DIY video, I'd actually made a pen stand video on how I actually made this. If you haven't, I'm going to link it down below. You could see it, but it's a handmade pen stand from an old glass which just contains a few of my knickknacks. This here is a very cute cactus that I got as a gift from mangopeople.biz, and this lamp again, guess how much it's for? It's for I think 900 rupees from Crawford Market. So it's not always the expensive things which make your room look put together. I think it's, having the right set of ideas and kind of just going to the right places. This again is my vision board, which you've probably seen in my vision board video. If you haven't, I'm going to link it down below so that you get a clearer picture on how I made it. So yeah, that's all that I have in my on my study table. Hi. Okay, so this is like a huge mirror which I have in my room right next to my bed and right next to my cupboards. This one has all my casual clothes. This one has all my formal clothes, like my Indian wear and stuff. And these here have all my stationery and all of my stuff from Inaaya. So all of that happens here. I also have a television which I barely use, but it's still there. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys had fun watching it, and I hope you enjoyed looking at my room. If you did, please leave a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also in the comment section down below, let me know which part of the room you liked best, because I have my favorites. Any which ways, I'm going to see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye! Okay, no, this is a